Hello everyone, this is the bag which have all of my technical toys and gadgets, and today I'm gonna show you what I have or use in my life. So let's begin with the upper zip. What we have in this zip. Okay, so this is the cable of my iPhone 10s, and that is the original iPhone 10s cable, and this is however broken now, but I still use my iPhone 10s from this cable. And that is the cable of my iPhone 15 Pro Max. It is also a boxable cable, and I use this cable to charge my 15 Pro Max. And what else we have? We have the two power adapters. This is a 20 watt Apple's power adapter, and I use this charger to charge my 15 Pro Max. And that's motor adapter I used to charge my iPhone 10s. It actually came with my Apple Watch Series 4, and now I use this charger to charge my iPhone 10s. What else we have on the front side of the bag? Nothing. So let's open the first main compartment. In the first compartment we have another power adapter. This is a 61 watt USB-C power adapter, and I use this adapter to charge my MacBook Pro, and that is the power cable of my MacBook Pro. And these are all original cables and adapters from the Apple. And what else we have in this zip? We have a USB-C earpods. This is the Apple's new USB earpod, and they also support to a certain extent the lossless audio. I made everything so messy. So what else we have there? Nothing. And now it's time to open the big zips. Let's see what else we have in these bad boys. Okay, so why not we start with opening the small zip. Okay, so this is my backup phone. This is my iPhone 10s. Right now I'm using the iPhone 15 Pro Max as a daily driver, and I also have this iPhone 10s in case if I have to use it. So what else we have? We have this sleeve. Okay, for some extended safety, I keep my MacBook Pro in this sleeve. So I bought this laptop in 2021. This is a MacBook Pro M1, and let's quickly go to the about to see what it says. It says chip is Apple M1 8 gigs, and it is a 256 GB variant. What else we have in the bag? Oh yeah, these are the JBL headgears. They are very uncomfortable, by the way, but they sound good, and they are wireless, and the battery life on these things is very awesome. You can listen to music for the whole 30 hours and they won't die. Okay, what else we have there? Okay, I think that is okay. So let's go to the back side. What is in the back side? Number one, this is my official laptop. This is a HP. It's a Core i7 11th generation with 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB space. I'm a professional banker. I use this laptop in my office for my emails and other stuff. what else we have? Oh yeah, this is my personal favorite. This is the iPad 9 generation, and for the most of the time I consume the internet on this device. I watch YouTube, Instagram and other stuff on this device. This is the very practical thing, very easy to hold, and the case I'm using is also a very nice case, and it protects my iPad 9 generation. Okay guys, the main compartments have been thoroughly searched and we pulled out everything we had in this. Now it's time to see what else we have in these side little pockets. On the upper side we have this. This is the Samsung's T7 SSD, and that is a 1 TB variant. I made a mistake to buy 1 TB. If I'm given a choice, I will go for the 2 TB option, and this comes with both cables, USB-A to USB-C, and then also USB-C to USB-C. On the last pocket we have this. This is the dongle I used to play Dota 2 on my MacBook a lot, and I used to use this to connect the Ethernet and play the Dota 2, and that was the primary reason to buy this thing, was to connect the Ethernet, and then I used to plug the mouse and keyboard, external mouse and keyboard, with my MacBook Pro M1 to play Dota 2. That is all I have, so stay tuned for the next video.